In today's video, I'm going to show you how to repair a failed caulk joint like this one here. Now it turns out when it's big like this, chances are the home has shifted some and created a large cavity. And in an instance like this, there's something you need to do first, and let me show you what it is. You want to use something called backer rod. That's what this is here. Let me show you what this looks like. Pull it out here. So this is backer rod, and it's just a foam material that you use to fill the gap before you caulk. But first we have to remove the old caulk before we apply the new caulking, and we're going to do that with a scraper. Actually, it's a safety razor, and it takes it right down to the surface of the countertop here. It's going to make it real easy to clean it and prep it and get it ready for the new caulking. Now after you've scraped down the caulking, you've removed as much as you can, you want to take some isopropyl alcohol and you want to rub down the area and clean it thoroughly, because there's going to be a little bit of a residue left over. That's going to give you a nice clean surface for the new caulking to really grab a hold of and bond to. We're going to take a piece. That's about what we need here. I'm going to cut this off. Okay, now it's time to take our backer rod, and what we're going to do is we're just going to push it into the gap here. Once you have it situated where you need it, you want to take a flat tool. You want to force that backer rod into the gap. Once you have your backer rod in position in the gap, you want to take tape and you want to mask off the area that you intend to caulk. Now once you've got your area all taped off, it's time to do our caulking. I like to use the tube actually that you just squeeze out of the tube, and you don't need a caulking gun. Now it's time to finish the area. I'm just going to use a wet finger here and run it across the edge. I don't like to wait a long time. I like to remove the tape while the caulking is still wet. We're all done. We've got a nice crisp line. This is Leah saying you can do this. See you next time.